Hello everyone, this is a quick tour and demo for the 2024 Habits Tracker in Notion. The complete system is dynamic. Here we are in the dashboard and we have a today, progress this week, progress this month, the habits, the current week, the months of the year, and a yearly progress. Here you will always see the current week. You don't need to do anything. Here you will always see this month and this week. And at the top you will always see today. The system comes with all the days for the year, so you don't need to add any date. Just use the system to track your habits. In each day, you can just go and mark the habits as done. You can check and uncheck, and you will have a progress as expected. Also, you can click on any day to skip any habit you need. For example, if you don't need to go to the gym, you can just select it and the percentage will be correctly. The idea is I don't have to go to the gym, so I check everything else and I have a 100% for the day. And it's that easy. You just select the ones you want to skip and that's it. In any of the days of the year, you can of course open and write whatever you need here. For example, a thought, or to keep a journal, or whatever you need in every single day. For the progress, you have this week and this month. This will change, so you can see the progress of the actual month and the progress of this week. This is dynamic, so you will always see the current month you are in. Here you have the global progress for your habits. This is the current week. Once again, is dynamic, so you will always see the current week you are in. So you can review, check, uncheck, and see the progress for the days. Here you have access to the complete year, so you can check the average for every single month. And here you have the complete year progress. So this is like the general view for everything in the dashboard. Of course, you can create your own views however you need. You can also go inside each of the habits. This will show you well the habit code, the total average for this specific habit, and you have the complete year here. So you can go to the habit you want and review how was your year. I will go back. And also you can go to each one of the months. So for example, if you want to review October, you just open it and you can see each one of the habits just for this month. The idea is that you can review by day, by week, by month, by habit, or by the complete year. So you have complete access to the information for each one of your habits. And this is the main dashboard, and everything is dynamic and you can modify it as you need. Just rename the habits to suit your needs and that's it. You can keep the complete and accurate in detail progress for your habits in 2024. And that's a quick tour. I hope you like it. Bye.